whole new Syma Z1 is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to post a video at any time and learn the Syma Z1 accessories assembly with us. Expand the folded rotor. Insert the protective guard into the corresponding slot. Install battery for aircraft. Use your phone, scan QR code, and install software. After connecting the Wi-Fi hotspot, then open the software. One key takeoff. One key landing. Fly in the constant altitude. When aircraft's indicator light flashes, it means the aircraft battery is low. At this time, the battery must be charged or replaced. When the aircraft's battery power is low, use the charging cable for charging. When the indicator goes off, it means charging is finished. Ascend. Descend. Forward. Backward. Left sideward flight. Right sideward flight. Left rolling. Right rolling. Headless mode. Long press headless mode key into the headless mode, and then long press headless mode key to exit the headless mode. High and low speed switch. Short pressed high and low speeds with key to switch the flight speed of the aircraft. Trimmer key. When the aircraft is off, press the left joystick until it enters into the trimming mode, and then push the corresponding joystick to fine-tune. Camera video mode. Push the throttle joystick and control the flight by tilting the mobile phone. Draw a flight path on the screen, allowing the aircraft to fly according to the track. It has optical flow positioning augmentation system. Equipped with a rotatable 720-pixel Wi-Fi real-time HD camera, you can enjoy real-time watching. Besides, its optical flow positioning system will bring you a stable and excellent aerial photography effects. Syma Z1 makes fly so easy.